What matters most when selecting plants for your native landscape projects? If it's plant diversity, you'll want to find a nursery with over 300 species of native plants in greenhouse production. If it's Chicago regional genotype you're looking for, you'll want to work with a nursery that closely tracks the origin of its seed. If it's hardy, attractive stock, you'll need to work with a nursery that puts special care into growing high-quality plants. You can find all of that, plus knowledgeable and friendly support, at Cardno Native Plant Nursery. Cardno Native Plant Nursery has native plants for a variety of habitats and site conditions, from residential and corporate landscapes to habitat restorations and green infrastructure. We can provide the showy species that fill the landscape with color, along with the native sedges and grasses that create full textured landscapes. We have habitat-specific seed mixes, emergent and submerged aquatic plants, live stakes, and more. To learn more about our plants, products, and services, visit cardnonativeplantnursery.com or call our sales staff. We're here to help with your next native landscape project.